Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Matapos mapatay ang iya hinuptanan nga ido, ginpangako ni Malu Perez nga atipanon siniya ang tanan nga ido nga nagakinahanglan sang iya bulig. Diri na bunag ang iya Potion Project. Nagsugod sa nasalbar ang 50 ka mga ido nga natalana nga pagapatyon. Sa karon, duha ka mga shelter ang iya ginapadalagan, isa sa Bacolod City kag isa sa Bulacan.
Mga puso, makaupod na siningagang founder sa Potion Project, si Malu Perez. Malu, good morning!
Hi, Adrian. Good morning.
Malu, gusto kong mahibaluan, nagpatukod ka sa isa ka animal rescue group nga gitawag naton Potion Project. After your dog, ay mo pinalangga nga si Casper ang napatay o nagtaliwan, kag nakabati ka nga may ara 50 ka mga ido ang patson. Is this what you call mission or calling sa imo kabuhi?
Yes, I've always felt and believed that it was a calling. Yeah. The owner of the farm where the shelter is right now in
Okay.
Victoria, she called me and then she asked me, you saw this post about the 50 dogs on death row? Because we were supposed to put up an Airbnb business, a farm. And then when she saw the post, she thought about me right away because she knows how much of a dog lover I am. And then she asked, like, are you okay to save the dogs? Since wala pa man sa pala concrete na plans, okay ka to save them? Like, I can offer the space, but wala na daw ma-offer ko if willing daw ako to save them. And I don't know, without any second thoughts, like in a few seconds time, I just said yes. Fast forward to 2 years later, I still can't believe na I was able to put up 2 shelters already. We've rescued probably close to 1,000 dogs
Wow,
already.
grabe.
Rehomed 300. Spayed and neutered over 500 dogs, and just so happy that we continue to inspire hundreds of people to think about animals. In this advocacy, if you don't really have a strong faith, you will give up at some point because, like I mentioned, physically, emotionally, mentally, exhausting, especially now in the middle of a pandemic when everyone's suffering. I mean, imagine, Adrian, businesses are closing down. These
That's
are,
true.
it's ga-earn ni sila ya. All the how much more an NGO. Now we only survive through donations and personal ganyan na expenses. So I believe it's all by God's grace. I'm happy to have such a very strong support system. We're even, less than 10 people.
Less than 10. Wow.
Less than 10, all keep regular jobs. We all keep regular jobs. So I think it's the key. It's really, prayer, and then, having to remind ourselves every day na mo ni purpose mo in life, and the passion. If imo na siya passion niya, no matter how hard it is, go lang gid yapon.
How many dogs are under your wings in Bacolod City kag dira pa gid?
Around 300 now. But other than that, we have individual rescues every now and then, and we do stray feeding. We've actually been feeding the strays, not just in Bacolod, but we also tap other stray feeders in other places for 8 months now, since the ECQ.
Question, how much do you need in order to survive in a day or maybe in a week's time? Sa kada mo sa mga ido ang under your wings, under your care?
Well, our monthly operational expenses for 2 shelters is around 250,000. It does not even include yet vet bills. It does not even include the supplies for the daily stray feeding. So it's been exhausting financially, to be honest, ever since the quarantine happens. Probably more than 50% of operational expenses, also personal na expenses. God's grace, Gibya, like I would be all of a sudden, because I actually work in the insurance industry. So advocacy ko panay sa tao. When people see that's my job, they would message na ma-help sila. It's just overwhelming. Wala, gibla ka pabaya si Lord. Every time I feel like wala na gid or ka-struggle, He always finds a way to send me source gid niya wala to keep the dogs alive.
Maluna katatak niya sa aton yung mga Pilipino nga ang dogs are man's best friend. Para sa imo, ano ang mga ido? What's your definition of these beautiful creatures?
I always love to tell everybody na dog is just God spelled backwards. So, kung ano na pagpalangga na ginhambal, like if we really love God, then we have to love these animals also, because the love that they give back to us is also just as the same or even more. They just couldn't express themselves, but grabe gid na love and loyalty mahatag sa na animals. Kanami kita ni isang world like wala na animal abusers, wala na sang mga tao na ga-discriminate sa mga aspins na hindi lang bala mapili, na lang bala sang may breed lang, because we're all just the same in God's eyes. Iti siya man nag-create sa akon. So that's what I want to remind everybody, dog is just God spelled backwards. So kung ano na pagpalangga, ginahita tayo, Lord, dapat ang moment sa una. The only way for us to help the animals is to work together. Let's all work together for the voiceless.
Mga puso, mga irresponsable nga tag-iya sang kasapatan ilabinagid sang aton mga ido. Pareho sa aton sila ang may kabuhiman nga dapat halungan.